This is your quick instructional video for the week of November 16th. So this week we have office hours on the 17th and 19th from 7:45 to 8:30 if you need any help this week. In our to-do folder you'll find, again this week, for health, you have a Choices Magazine article to read, so if you click on it, and then we're to click on the link, it should open up. If it does not open up, you can come back here, and in the login you will put the code right here, and then you should be able to read the article. Once you are finished reading the article, you'll be able to take the vocab quiz here. So when you open it up, you will be able to click on Start Attempt. You'll start an attempt. Finish the quiz, it'll grade itself automatically. You can retake the quiz if you do not score 100. And then finally, the last assignment for health this week, if you open up this bullying, how can we help? You're going to read the two different scenarios, and then, or four scenarios, pick two of them, and then answer how you would handle them underneath. Then last, for phys ed this week, you have a spell your name workout. Click on my document, it'll open up a Google Doc. You need to have at least 8 letters, so if your first name is that long, you can use your first name. If not, use a combination of your first and last name. So you'd spell it out here. Minimum 8, you can add more, and then these are the exercises you'll be doing, 2 to 3 cycles, and as always, we'll have a personal choice workout for this week as well.